Hello mga ka-ICT! Welcome to our channel!
Bago natin simulan ng assembly at disassembly, kailangan muna nating pag-aralan ang OHS o ang Occupational Health and Safety.
Hairnet, para di mahulog yung buhok natin kapag gumagawa tayo ng components ng isang system unit. Goggles, para di ma-injure ang ating mga mata kung sakaling may lumipad na screws. Apron, para maging malinis ang ating ginagawa at ang ating kasuotan. Gloves, para maayos nating mahahawakan lahat ng components.
Bago natin simulan ang ating pag-assembly at disassembly, kailangan natin tanggalin ang ating accessories bago natin ito simulan.
Halina't simulan na natin ang disassembly.
Una, tatanggalin natin itong mga screws.
Dapat magtatanggal tayo ng screws na system unit, may lalagyanan ito para hindi ito mawawala.
Natin tatandaan kapag magtatanggal tayo ng cable sa loob na pag magtatanggal tayo ng cables, kailangan paganto ang ating pihit at hindi paganto dahil kapag paganto, safe na matatanggal at walang mababaling mga bakal dun sa loob. Yan. Isa-isa natin sila tatanggalin. Tapos ilalagay natin. Sunod, tatanggalin natin itong power supply. Kapag magtatanggal tayo ng components ng isang system unit, kailangan ipapatong natin sila sa isang malinis at wooden na lalagyan para hindi sila masakit.
Dapat mag-ahawak tayo ng RAM module dito lang dapat sa gilid. Dapat hindi natin nahawakan dito sa may golden silicone. Kasi pag nahawakan natin ito, maaari itong masira.
Kapag magtatanggal tayo, lagi natin tatandaan kapag pakanan ng ating tools sa isang screwdriver, ayun ay paipit at pagpakaliwa, ayun ay pa-maluwag at matatanggal.
Motherboard, a print circuit device board containing the principal components of a computer or other device with connectors into which other circuit boards can be slotted. Memory module is another name for RAM chip. It is often used as a general term used for describe SIMM, DIMM, and SODIMM memory. While here are several different types of memory modules available, they all serve the purpose, which is to store temporary data while the computer is running. Video adapters is a discrete card in a computer typically connected via PCI Express in the modern desktop. Drive refers to a computer system that allows users to use DVDs, CDs, and Blu-ray optical drives. Is a type of disk storage composed of a distinct and flexible magnet storage medium sold on a rectangular plastic enclosure lined with fabric that remove dust particles. Drive is a non-volatile memory hardware device that permanently stores and retrieves data on a computer. Power supply is a hardware component that supplies power to an electrical device.
Kaya pa ba rin?
Sinusubo ah. Sinusubo.
Hindi naman lumalaki. Di gamit.
Hindi.
Kasi maayos na lang.
After putting all the components, we need to put all the cables, the PATA and the SATA, and the power supply cables. Hope you learn a lot. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you.